So my brothers and sisters, let's be very careful as we live this life and as we conclude this sermon. Don't try to play smart with God, because death will knock our door anytime. Before we leave here, death can knock our door. And I got to conclude with a little humor. You know, I love my humor. This was a very serious sermon, a very serious khutbah. I hope I don't want the mayor and the representative candidate and the judge to be scared to come back here. The sermons are always not like this. This is just a reminder. Because I went to the cemetery yesterday, my brain is only ticking death, death, death. Like, you know, when some of you go to the bank, all your brain tick is money, money, money. Well, I only think in death right now. So there's a famous joke about death. There was this man, the time came for him to die. And the angel went to his home, knocked his door. Man opened the door. He saw the angel of death, says, I'm the angel of death, it's your number. Had his list, your name here, Mr. XYZ. Mr. XYZ said, listen, in my faith, when a guest comes to my home, I have to treat him the best, even if he came to take my life. So before you take my life, you got to come inside, you got to eat, and eat your belly full that stomach, and take a sleep, and then you could take my life. But I want to fulfill the laws of Islam, which says, treat your guests the best. Angel said, all right, no problem. I got to go according to what the Prophet, peace be upon him, says. He ate. Some people said in the joke that the man put something in the tea so he could fall asleep. An angel, well, you know, some of us, as soon as you eat, you fall asleep. Some people, you feed them, and while they're still at the table, you see them. Some people can't even eat, they fall asleep. Some fall asleep in the toilet, some fall asleep while eating. So he fed the angel. Angel fell asleep. And when the angel fell asleep, he took the list of names with XYZ, his name on the top. And he saw 100 names. Wow, a lot of people for the angel to tick off today. And he delete his name from the top, put it at the bottom, and say, all right, I could live a couple years again. So when the angel got up, the angel said, wow, what a beautiful host. You are such a kind man. You are such a generous man. You fed me so much until I fell asleep. So out of my kindness from you, I will not go in the order of this list today. I will start from the bottom. See what it is like? When your time comes to go, whether the name is on the top or the bottom, you're going to go. You're going to go. So don't play smart with God. Don't try to book a flight and go to Washington or go to Japan or go to China. It'll be there for us.